Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Discover the magic of violet Biko, a truly stunning Filipino delicacy that's easier to make than you think. This vibrant, sweet sticky rice cake combines creamy coconut milk with the unique flavor of yub, or purple yam, creating an unforgettable dessert experience. Imagine a beautiful, fragrant treat, perfect for any celebration or just a lovely afternoon snack. You're about to unlock the secrets to making this beautiful dish yourself. To start your violet Biko journey, gather a few key items. You will need 2 cups of glutinous rice, also known as malakit, and 3 cans of rich, full-fat coconut milk. Crucially, grab a jar of yub halia, which is sweetened purple yam jam, along with 1 cup of brown sugar. A small pinch of salt will beautifully enhance all these sweet flavors. Having everything ready truly makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Your first step is preparing the heart of the Biko, the sticky rice. Wash 2 cups of glutinous rice under cold running water until the water is completely clear, ensuring no excess starch remains. Then, in a pot, combine the washed rice with 1 can of coconut milk and a half cup of water. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally, until the rice is tender and the liquid is fully absorbed. This creates a beautifully sticky base. Now let's create that stunning violet flavor. In a separate heavy-bottomed pan, combine your remaining 2 cans of coconut milk, the full cup of brown sugar, and a pinch of salt. Heat this over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until the sugar completely dissolves and the mixture begins to simmer gently. Then, incorporate the entire jar of yub halia, stirring continuously until it's beautifully smooth, vibrant, and slightly thick. This delicious, aromatic sauce is almost ready. The final steps bring everything together beautifully. Add your cooked sticky rice directly into the simmering yub coconut sauce. Stir everything thoroughly, ensuring every grain of rice is coated with that rich, purple goodness. Transfer this vibrant mixture into a lightly greased baking dish, spreading it evenly and pressing it down firmly. Bake it for about 20 minutes or until the top is set. Let it cool completely before slicing into generous squares and savoring this incredible homemade delight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.